Stop before you buy a pantry organizer. Watch this. Today we are comparing two of Amazon's most popular over-the-door storage solutions, the Morphoroco 9-tier organizer and the Home Complete over-the-door rack. Let's break down which one is actually right for your home. Product overview. First, the basics. The Morphoroco comes with 9 tiers of storage in a slim vertical design, perfect for maximizing small spaces. On the other hand, Home Complete Rack typically offers 8 adjustable shelves, but with a wider width and the unique ability to split the rack into 2 or even 3 smaller sections. This is great if you want to organize more than one door or use some shelves in the pantry and others in the bathroom, laundry room or closet. Dimensions and fit. Now let's talk size and fit. The Morphoroco organizer is narrower, which means it fits more door styles, especially apartment or older home doors that aren't super wide. The Home Complete organizer is wider, which gives you more room per shelf, so it's better for cereal boxes, tall jars and cleaning supplies. But if your door is narrow, the Morphoroco may be the better fit. Shelf style and weight capacity. Morphoroco gives you a mix of small, medium and large basket sizes. That makes it ideal for spices, cans, snacks, jars and small bottles. Each shelf is built sturdy with a good load capacity for daily use. The Home Complete Rack doesn't have multiple basket styles, but it does include bar stoppers. These little rails help keep taller bottles and cleaners from tipping forward, which is especially useful in laundry and bathroom use. Flexibility and customization. If you love customization, here is where the Home Complete Rack stands out. You can split it into separate smaller racks. Meanwhile, the Morphoroco is designed to stay as a full vertical system, maximizing vertical storage in one go. So if your goal is one single tall, tight storage unit, go Morphoroco. If you want the freedom to mix, match and place shelves in different rooms, go Home Complete. So which one is better? Choose Morphoroco if your door is narrow, you need maximum tiers, you want to store lots of small pantry items like spices and cans. Choose Home Complete if you want wider shelves, you need to store tall items like cleaners or bottles, or you want flexibility to use the rack in multiple rooms. Both are great options. It just depends on your space and your storage style. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment telling me which one would you choose, and subscribe for more smart home and organization comparison.